Hello everyone, I am Dr. Ratik Kushwa. I am truly excited to welcome all of you to this powerful and inspiring session. I hope you are feeling energetic, motivated, and fully prepared to step into an exciting journey of knowledge, innovation, and strategic excellence. If you want to know anything related to strategic implementation, you are exactly where you need to be. This lecture is an opportunity to learn, grow, and transform your understanding into practical success. So get ready to stay attentive, think creatively, and participate with enthusiasm because your energy and involvement will make this learning experience truly exceptional and impactful. So let's begin together. Today, I will explore the true meaning of strategic implementation, its purpose, importance, key steps, influencing factors, and major challenges. This session will help you understand how strategies are effectively executed in organization and why successful implementation is essential for achieving long-term growth and organizational success. Meaning of strategic implementation. Strategic implementation is the process of putting a strategy into action to achieve organizational goals and objectives. It focuses on converting plans into practical activities so that desired results can be achieved. In simple words, I can say that strategy formulation decides what to do, while strategy implementation explains how to do it. Yes, importance of strategic implementation. It helps achieve organizational goals effectively. Strategic implementation ensures that planned strategies are executed properly to accomplish organizational objectives successfully. It converts plans into real actions. It transforms strategic plans and decisions into practical operational activities that produce measurable results. Third one, improve coordination among departments. Strategic implementation aligns different departments, the team, to work together efficiently towards common goal. It ensures efficient use of resources. It supports proper allocation and utilization of financial, human, and technological resources for maximum effectiveness. Help organization adapt to changes. Strategic implementation enables organization to respond flexibly to internal and external environmental changes. Now heading towards key components of strategic implementation. Resource allocation. This involves distributing the necessary resources, financial, human, technological, to various departments and functions to support the execution of strategies. Next one, organizational structure. Ensuring that organization structure aligns with the strategy. इसमें संगठनात्मक ढांचे में बदलाव, नई भूमिकाएं बनाना और मौजूदा जिम्मेदारियों को रणनीतिक लक्ष्यों के अनुसार बेहतर बनाना शामिल हो सकता है. Next one, leadership and culture. Effective leadership is critical for successful strategic implementation. Leaders must communicate the strategy clearly, motivate employees, and foster a culture that supports strategic initiatives. And next one, performance management. Implementing system to monitor and evaluate progress towards strategic objective. इसमें प्रदर्शन, मापदंड तय करना, नियमित समीक्षा करना और आवश्यकता अनुसार सुधार करना शामिल होता है. Change management. Managing the transition and addressing resistance to change. This involves communicating and benefits of the strategy, providing training and support, and involving employees in the implementation process. Now, steps in strategic implementation. First one, developing an action plan. After creating a strategy, the organization prepares a detailed action plan like tasks to be completed, time schedule, responsible persons. So, tasks to be completed. It clearly defined activities ensure that strategic objectives are translated into specific operational actions. In time schedule, एक तय समय योजना कार्यों को समय पर पूरा करने और प्रगति की निगरानी में मदद करती है. Responsible persons, स्पष्ट जिम्मेदारियां तय करने से जवाबदेही बढ़ती है और कार्यों का सही प्रबंधन होता है. Required resources, identifying necessary financial, human, and technological resources that ensure smooth and effective strategy execution. Now B, setting organizational structure. A proper organizational structure is necessary for implementation. Types of a structure may be functional structure. It is being organized by departments, marketing, finance, or HR. Moving towards the divisional structure, organized by product or particular region. Matrix structure. It combines multiple reporting systems. The C, resource allocation. Resources must be allocated properly. Financial resources like budget, adequate financial resources provide the necessary funding to support strategic activities and operational execution. Human resources like employees, skilled employees are essential for effective carrying out strategic plans and achieving organizational objectives. Technology and equipment, advanced technology and proper equipment improve efficiency, productivity, and strategic performance as well. Materials and infrastructure, sufficient materials and strong infrastructure ensure smooth operations and successful implementation of strategic initiatives. The D1, leadership and management. Strong leadership is essential to motivate employees, where effective leadership inspire employees to perform efficiently and remain committed to strategic goals. Communicate vision. Clear communication of organizational vision ensures alignment and shared strategic direction. Leadership address challenges and obstacles to maintain smooth strategic execution to solve problems, while guide teams toward objective. Strong leadership directs team effectively to achieve organizational goals successfully. E. Communication of strategy. The strategy should be clearly communicated to employees so everyone understands it. संगठनात्मक लक्ष्यों की स्पष्ट समझ यह सुनिश्चित करती है कि सभी प्रयास रणनीतिक उद्देश्यों को प्राप्त करने की दिशा में aligned हों. Their responsibilities, defining individual responsibilities that improves accountability, effective task execution. While talking about the performance expectations, communicating performance expectation help employees maintain required standards and strategic focus. Now F, building organizational culture. A supportive culture encourage teamwork. Like in strong teamwork promote collaboration and improves the effectiveness of strategic implementation. While we talk for innovation, encouraging innovation help organization adapt, improve process and maintain competitiveness. And then moving towards the discipline, organizational discipline ensure consistent execution of strategies and adherence of standards. Commitment to goals, employee commitment strengthen focus and support successful achievement of strategic objectives. G. Developing policies and procedures. Policies provide guidelines for employees and ensure consistency in work. HR policies as they guide employee management and support effective strategic execution. Financial rules ensure proper budgeting, cost control, and responsible resource utilization. Operational procedures like standardized procedures maintain consistency and efficiency in strategic activities. H. Performance monitoring and control. Organization must continuously evaluate progress toward goal. Regular monitoring of progress that ensures strategies remain aligned with organizational objectives. Employee performance. Evaluating employee performance help measure a contribution to strategic success as well. Efficiency of implementation. कार्यान्वयन की दक्षता और आकलन यह सुनिश्चित करता है कि रणनीतियों को प्रभावी ढंग से और उत्पादक रूप से एग्जीक्यूट किया जाए. Key performance indicator here is provide measurable benchmarks to track strategic performance and outcomes. Performance reports offer regular insights to implementation progress and results. Feedback system identify issues and support continuous strategic improvement. अब आगे बढ़ने से पहले मैं आपसे एक सवाल पूछना चाहती हूँ. कल्पना कीजिए कि किसी कंपनी के पास बहुत अच्छी रणनीति है, लेकिन वह उसे लागू करते समय सीमा पूरी नहीं कर पाती. आपके अनुसार इसका मुख्य कारण क्या हो सकता है? कृपया अपना उत्तर कमेंट्स में बताइए. Factors affecting strategic implementation. Leadership quality. Strong leadership quality is essential for guiding, motivating, and sustaining strategic success. Organizational culture. A supportive culture strengthens strategic alignment and execution effectiveness. Employee commitment. High employee commitment improves dedication toward achieving strategic goals. Availability of resources. Adequate resources are necessary for successful strategy implementation. Communication effectiveness. Effective communication ensures clarity, coordination, and strategic understanding across the organization. External environment. Competition, economy, government policies. External environment and factors that influence implementation success and require strategic adaptability. Now, challenges in strategic implementation. Resistance to change. Resistance can hinder strategy execution and must be managed effectively. Lack of funds, insufficient funding can delay or weaken strategic implementation. Poor communication. Weak communication creates confusion and reduces implementation efficiency. Inadequate leadership. Poor leadership can negatively affect strategic direction and employee performance. Employee dissatisfaction. Dissatisfied employees may reduce the productivity and hinder strategic success. Weak coordination. Poor coordination among departments can disrupt implementation efforts. Now, ways to improve strategic implementation. Set clear goals. Clearly defined goals provide direction and measurable strategic focus. Trained employees. Employee training enhance skill necessary for effective strategy execution. Ensure proper communication. Strong communication improve understanding and organizational alignment. It monitor performance regularly. Continuous monitoring help identify gaps and support timely corrective actions. Encourage teamwork. Teamwork strengthens collaboration and strategic efficiency. It adapts to changes quickly. Rapid adaptability helps organization remain competitive in dynamic environments. Difference between strategy formulation and strategy implementation. While we talk about this strategy formulation, it decides what to do. And strategy implementation, executing what is decided. Strategy formulation help for planning phase, and strategy implementation is basically action phase. Strategy formulation is done by top management. Strategy implementation is done by employees. Strategy formulation focus on analysis, while strategy implementation focus on execution. Strategy formulation is a strategic design based, and strategy implementation is completely operational application. Okay, let's discuss example of a strategic implementation. Take as a retail company expanding into online business. Strategic goal may be a retail company wants to increase sales and market reach by launching an e-commerce platform. Step by step, I'll let you know. First one is set a strategic objective. Goal is to increase total sales by 30% within 1 year through online expansion. यानी ऑनलाइन विस्तार के माध्यम से एक वर्ष के भीतर कुल बिक्री 30% की वृद्धि होनी चाहिए. So purpose is like provide clear direction and measurable outcomes. Now second, what you have to do, like develop action plan including timeline. So activities may be build an e-commerce website, create mobile shopping app, hire digital marketing team, set delivery partnerships, train staff for online operation, and timeline would be 6 months for launch. Now third step is to allocate resources, budget for website development, technology infrastructure, human resources, logistic partnerships. Purpose of allocation of resources as it ensure all necessary resources that support implementation. Fourth step is organizational structure, adjustment changes. It establishes e-commerce department, add IT support team, integrate customer service operation. So purpose of organizational structure is to support strategic coordination. Fifth one, leadership and communication as management actions. It communicate expansion strategy, motivate employees, provide strategic direction, monitor departmental progress. Heading toward the sixth one, that is culture alignment, focus on culture, encourage innovation, promote digital adaptability, build customer-centric mindset. In the seventh one, policy development with new policies. It should be like online payment security, return and refund policies, delivery guidelines. The eighth one, change management actions, employee training program, customer support system, and resistance reduction. Point 9, performance monitoring KPIs, website traffic, online sales growth, customer satisfaction, delivery efficiency. And the last one, evaluation and adjustment results, analyze sales performance, improve website features, optimize digital marketing, expand product offerings. Now, strategic outcomes as increased sales, expanded customer base, improved market reach, competitive advantage, long-term growth. So these may be the few strategic outcomes that would come. Finally, I can say that the real strategic insights without effective implementation as website may fail. Resources may be wasted, employees may resist change, goals may not be achieved. When we talk on the basis of effective implementation, a strategy becomes operational success. Now in this table, you can see issues in strategy implementation. So I'll discuss key challenges and strategic impact one by one. Strategy implementation is the process of translating strategic plans into practical actions. However, several critical issues can affect successful execution. These issues often arise from operational challenges, structural weaknesses, resource limitations, and human behavior. So issues are like first one, project implementation. It refers to executing strategic projects, programs, or initiatives within planned timelines and objectives. यह रणनीति परियोजनाओं, योजनाओं या कार्यक्रमों को तय समय और लक्ष्यों के अनुसार लागू करने की प्रक्रिया है. Key challenges for project implementation: delays in project completion, poor planning, cost overruns, weak coordination, lack of accountability. Strategic impact is slow strategic progress, increase implementation costs, reduce effectiveness of strategy. So for an example, I can say that a company launching an e-commerce platform but missing deadlines. कोई कंपनी e-commerce platform शुरू करे लेकिन समय सीमा पूरी ना कर पाए. Importance of project implementation is effective project management ensures strategy is converted into action successfully. अच्छा प्रोजेक्ट प्रबंधन रणनीति को सफलतापूर्वक कार्य में बदलता है. Next one, procedural implementation. It involves establishing operational procedures, systems and methods required for executing strategy. इसमें रणनीति को लागू करने के लिए आवश्यक कार्य प्रणालियां, सिस्टम और प्रक्रियाएं स्थापित की जाती हैं. Key challenges for procedural implementation as unclear procedures, inefficient system, poor workflow design, lack of standardization, and strategic impact creates confusion, reduce operational efficiency, weakens execution consistency. And for an example, I can say that lack of clear procedures for customer service operation, यानी कि ग्राहक सेवा के लिए स्पष्ट प्रक्रियाओं की कमी. Importance of procedural implementation as a proper procedure improve efficiency and execution quality. सही प्रक्रियाएं कार्यकुशलता और बेहतर निष्पादन सुनिश्चित करती है. Now resource allocation. Resource allocation involve distributing financial, human, technological and physical resources strategically. इसमें वित्तीय, मानव, तकनीकी और भौतिक संसाधनों को सही वितरण किया जाता है. Key challenges for resource allocation is insufficient funds, skill shortage, poor budgeting, unequal resource distribution. Strategic impact of resource allocation is like delays implementation, limits strategic capacity, reduces competitiveness. So for example of resource allocation is like inadequate investment in digital infrastructure. यानी डिजिटल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर में पर्याप्त निवेश नहीं करना. इंपॉर्टेंस क्या है रिसोर्स एलोकेशन की? प्रॉपर रिसोर्स एलोकेशन इज एसेंशियल फॉर इंप्लीमेंटेशन सक्सेस, यानी उचित संसाधन आवंटन रणनीति की सफलता के लिए आवश्यक है. फोर्थ वन, ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल स्ट्रक्चर एंड स्ट्रेटजीज. ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल स्ट्रक्चर मस्ट अलाइन विथ स्ट्रेटेजिक ऑब्जेक्टिव्स, यानी संगठन की रचना और उनकी संरचना को रणनीतिक लक्ष्यों के अनुरूप होना चाहिए. की चैलेंजेस ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल स्ट्रक्चर एंड स्ट्रेटजीज: outdated structure, weak coordination, role ambiguity, poor communication channels. A strategic impact as organizational structure and strategy is slowing your decision making, reduce accountability, weakens strategic execution. For an example, a traditional hierarchy slowing innovation initiative. Importance of organizational structure and strategies: it appropriate structure supports smooth implementation, यानी सही संरचना रणनीति के सुचारू कार्यान्वयन में मदद करती है. Functional policies. Functional policies are departmental rules and guidelines support strategy. यह विभागीय नियम और दिशा निर्देश हो जो रणनीति का समर्थन देते हैं. Areas for functional policies are like HR policies, marketing policies, financial policies, operational procedures. And key challenges for functional policies as policy misalignment, inconsistent implementation, weak enforcement. So strategic impact for functional policies as operational inconsistency, reduced strategic alignment, increased inefficiency. For an example, HR policies are not supporting strategic skill development, यानी HR नीतियां रणनीतिक कौशल विकास को समर्थन ना दें. इसका महत्व क्या है फंक्शनल पॉलिसीज का? फंक्शनल पॉलिसीज मस्ट सपोर्ट स्ट्रैटेजिक गोल्स, यानी नीतियां रणनीतिक लक्ष्यों के अनुरूप होनी चाहिए. Next one, behavioral implementation focuses on employee attitude, leadership, behavior, organizational culture and commitment. यह कर्मचारियों की दृष्टिकोण, नेतृत्व, व्यवहार, संगठनात्मक संस्कृति और प्रतिबद्धता पर केंद्रित होता है. Key challenges of behavior implementation: its resistance to change, low motivation, poor leadership, cultural misalignment, lack of teamwork. Strategic impact of behavioral implementation is to reduce employee support, slow adaptation, weakens strategic outcomes. Example of behavioral implementation: employees resisting automation initiatives. कर्मचारी ऑटोमेशन योजनाओं का विरोध करें. Importance of behavioral implementation: that human behavior is often is most critical implementation factor. यानी मानवीय व्यवहार अक्सर रणनीति कार्यान्वयन का सबसे महत्वपूर्ण कारक होता है. I will let you know a few common causes of implementation issues: poor leadership, weak planning, insufficient resources, communication failures, cultural resistance, structural inefficiencies. Now, what would be solutions to overcome strategy implementation issues as? Solution may be clear project planning, यानी स्पष्ट परियोजना, strong procedures, मजबूत कार्य प्रक्रिया, effective resource management, संसाधनों का प्रभावी प्रबंधन, स्ट्रक्चरल अलाइनमेंट, संगठनात्मक संरचना का सही तालमेल, पॉलिसी कंसिस्टेंसी, नीतियों में एक रूपता, लीडरशिप डेवलपमेंट, नेतृत्व विकास, एम्प्लॉय ट्रेनिंग, कर्मचारियों का प्रशिक्षण, कल्चर बिल्डिंग, सकारात्मक संगठनात्मक संस्कृति का निर्माण. Okay, here you can see that there are few conceptual questions for your examination purpose. You can pause and note it down. Now you can pause the video, review wherever needed and learn as per your convenience. Feel free to rewind and revisit for deeper understanding. And then you will find a link where story based on strategic implementation in strategic management. आपको ये एक practical method से बहुत ही अच्छी तरह से समझा सकता है. The architecture of alignment. This story is designed to explain the concept in a practical and engaging way. Please share it those who may truly benefit from it for their academic preparation. And please like and share and subscribe channel surely. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.